Okay, YouTube, look. I was out here training. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. You see the bike dirty? I didn't cut the camera on, right? I went and found a new little spot. Listen, I'm gonna take you guys into the deep abyss of these woods. I done found lakes. I done found deep creeks. I done found all kind of different terrain to go ahead and enjoy. Like I said, I'm getting ready for the Sorts event, so I'm like, why not? It's actually local. It's right here in my own backyard, kinda. Let's get it. Nice little section, man. Oh, shit. I see you at 12. Catch it now. Yeah, found a new section. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I seen a coyote down here earlier, boy. I got the head out. Ooh, that thing slick right here, man. Slick Rick. Yeah, but it's right here, like, all I did was go out my neighborhood, go down, and I've been seeing this for years, right? I ain't gonna lie, I've been looking from that street view, and I'm like, man, you know what? We coming down here. I wonder, like, is it always just this wet? Because if this dries out, man, we got some ish. See what I'm saying? Like, this is crazy, y'all. Probably some catfish down here in these holes down here, bud. I seen a coyote over there. See if I can find him again. He was a younger one. Yeah, it's muddy around here, buddy. I'm scared to go straight across because I don't know. Kill these frogs. Bruh. All the frogs talking. Oh, how deep it is, huh? Oh shit! It's deep right here. Whoa! This log in the way. God damn. It's deep. It's deep. Okay, that's probably one that deep. I don't know about this part. I ain't got time. I'm too scared to get in the middle. I think I seen that coyote. Woo. Oh hell, that's some big ass prints right there. Hold on. Yeah, got a print easy. I found a river big. Yeah, y'all thought I was playing. What this is right here? Dog print, coyote print, deer print, print. Slicker right across. Shit, that big getting buried in there. Real sand. But there be a part in there. Here. This bit here. Yes, sir. See, it look like a little single trail right here. See what I'm saying? Gotta find how it goes. There it go. Yeah! Come down the trail, baby. Yes, sir. Oh. I found me a little single trail. Off in the water there. Oh. Now watch out. And watch it. Okay, I see right there. The trail right here. Clean it up a bit. I'm gonna try to run it once I get it right. Okay, so we're gonna have to figure out move it back. Found a little spot. Yeah, the only downfall about this bike, it's fucking too heavy. Like I said, I just stumbled across it. I wanted to see if it was worth Yeah. That almost got me. And I ain't even gotta get in my truck and walk There's some hidden laws to get you. Just a little too oosh-koosh-magoosh for me right now, but besides that, we good. Yeah, I ain't see you right there. Yes, sir. Hey, man, I just had to take y'all down in them deep south country swamp muddy woods with me one time, man. As y'all see, this local, this is like in my backyard. So tomorrow, I'm in my first source work. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I'll be dropping the content this week. Hit that like and subscribe, man. Come back, tell a friend to watch it with you again.